Hello guys, how we all doing? Yes, welcome to the British Virgin Island and the beauty of the British Virgin Island. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button. Yes, so we are high below. I don't want my phone to drop down there. So yes, beauty, beauty, beauty. Work hard, sleep good, eat good, enjoy life with the to the fullest. Yes, enjoy life, enjoy your labor. Life is short. Life is short. Yes, you can enjoy life in the Caribbean. Yes, you can enjoy life in the British Virgin Islands. Come along. Beautiful view. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button and share. Let me go with it back.